princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about the Pieu Skinny Brow Concealer. I picked this up because I thought it would be a really cool idea and I was really curious to see how it would work on my very dark eyebrows. I kind of wanted to try to colour my eyebrows pink so that if I was putting my hair in little buns and stuff like that, I could have matching pink eyebrows, which I thought would be very cute. Not so much to the fact that I would want to bleach my eyebrows, however. So an eyebrow concealer seemed like a really good idea. It was also very cheap. This is only $5.48 in US dollars, so I thought, why not try it out? It's a whole lot less permanent than bleaching my eyebrows just so I could dye them pink for once. So for this one, the product description says, try this eyebrow concealer to conceal each strand of your eyebrow hair, and then you can create real eyebrow color with Skinny Brow Concealer. Use wand to gather makeup and apply to brows by combing in the direction of growth. Cover your eyebrows with the concealer and use your favorite color of eyebrow mascara. So the packaging of this product is very simple, it is very skinny, and it is very packaging efficient. It has a very tiny wand and it has one shade of the concealer. It is really easy to apply, and although it looks like the wrong color of concealer, I don't really think that it matters so much because I don't want my eyebrows to blend into my skin tone. So I feel like the color of the concealer is really not the biggest deal. So all you do is you just apply it like you would a regular brow mascara or brow product, and it is going to turn your brows, well, concealer colored basically, so you can pretty much see there. And my eyebrows are pretty much black. They are technically the darkest brown you can get without being fully black, I assume, because that's what my hair color is. And this does, honestly, a pretty good job. Obviously I don't want my brows to disappear right into my skin. I only wanted to use it to cover them up with pink powder, and so I thought you'd be able to see it better. But honestly, I mean, it's not a look because it looks stupid with dark hair, but when I had blonder hair, this probably would have been quite cool. So this is the difference between using the brow concealer, brow concealer, and then with my brows normally. But honestly, I really wanted to show you guys what this looked like in case you guys have got, darker colored brows and light colored hair. I think that this is such a good product. I really had very low hopes for it. Oh my god, that looks so funny. I had really low hopes for it because, I thought how good could it be, and is this even worth it when you could just use concealer? But honestly, I think that it is quite good because it's coating the hair and not just, everything underneath. So, and it's really quick and easy to use. I feel like that brow is much lighter than the other one though. Hold on. So those are some concealed brows. And the good thing as well with this product is that it does dry down. It doesn't feel crunchy, although I did put a lot of brow product on, but it doesn't feel crunchy when it dries down, and you can put colors over the top without actually getting rid of the concealer. So when I put the pink over top, I couldn't really see the pink because it wasn't really pigmented enough, but it didn't actually take the concealer off, and the concealer does dry down to a smudge-ish proof finish. I mean, I didn't rub my eyebrows. I wouldn't recommend rubbing your eyebrows with something like this product on, but it was dry to the touch and it didn't feel sticky, it didn't feel clunky or chunky. So honestly, it's not a product that I need because it doesn't really work with the thing that I thought it would. But if you have naturally dark eyebrows and you have light colored hair and you want to change the color, then this is pretty good. I feel like this looks so strange. So I was actually really happily surprised by this eyebrow concealer. I think that it is a really interesting product. It is not a product that I will use all the time, and I will kind of look for another eyeshadow that I could use for my eyebrows because honestly this did a really great job, but it was that I didn't really have an eyeshadow that did a great job over the top of the eyebrow concealer, I think, rather than this being at fault. I was incredibly surprised that it covered up my very dark eyebrow hair effectively. No, it is not invisible, and no, it is not the same color as my skin tone, and I don't think I would want it to be, because the idea is that you're concealing the color and then you're going to apply something else over the top of that, whether it is a eyeshadow that is a different color or if it's just a lighter color eyebrow product if you have dyed hair maybe. So if you're someone who has naturally very dark hair that is dyed a very light blonde and you don't want to bleach your eyebrows, then this may be something that you look into. I think that it is really, really good. I don't have anything bad to say about it, so I would definitely recommend it if that is something that you are interested in. Obviously it's not something that everybody wants because it is quite a unique, more niche product, but definitely something I would happily recommend as a product that does conceal very dark eyebrows. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!